Okay, so as you heard, 12 jurors will be called, or prospective jurors will be called in for more questioning today, so it's going to be an exciting day. Joining me to break down everything we see is criminal defense attorney Tiffany Simmons, and I'm also joined by psychologist Dr. John Delatorre. It's great to have you both here. Tiffany, let me start with you. So now we have 14 jurors. The makeup is 5 men, 9 women. How do you feel about the jury we have so far, Tiffany?
Well, I was reading some of the jury selection comments. I feel as though so far there is a great jury. There is diversity amongst the jurors, even amongst the educational background, the business background that they have. So I am excited to see what will happen next with this diverse jury pool.
And Tiffany, we've seen the beginning parts of the prosecution and the defense. You know, in jury selection, we're not only getting to know the jurors, we're also getting to know the attorneys. And that's also from the different motions they've been arguing, how they handle the questioning of these jurors. Based on what you've seen, what do you make of the lawyering both by the state, who has many lawyers, and the defense, who has Mr. Nelson?
Well, I think that so far both sides are doing the best that they can with the resources that they have. You can have, a lot of lawyers and win or lose, and you can have one lawyer and win or lose. So it's not about, how many lawyers you have. It's using what you have and being effective with that. One of the things that I did notice with the defense, he is very calculated. He's making good use of what he has as far as the evidence, as far as even in juror selection. I liked that he made some of the questions more personable so the jurors can get to know him as well as his client. We already see he doesn't have the best client, so he has to make himself as personable as possible through this jury process.
Now, Tiffany, as you just heard, not only did the judge deny last week the motion for a change of venue, but then the defense kind of introduced or filed these supplemental papers. And again, Judge Peter Cahill said no. Is that the right decision?
I believe it was the right decision because anywhere you take this case to, there's going to be people that know about it. It's going to be publicity. I think that the judge made a fair decision considering all of the facts and circumstances surrounding this case.